is officially coming to an end, and you guys know what that means. That means it is time for my August favorites. I have to say that this month I have been in love with so many amazing products. So excited to film this favorites video for you guys because these products I am absolutely obsessed with. I'm always really excited to film my favorites video, but this one, like last night, I was like, oh my god, I cannot wait to talk to you guys about all of these products. These have literally been in such heavy rotation in my routine that I need to talk to you guys about them. If you're interested in my August favorites, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into it before I keep rambling. Speaking of rambling, can we talk about Taylor Swift getting engaged? Like, I mean, I am so excited. I knew it would happen. Like, once her and Travis were dating, I was like, ugh, this is endgame. This man loves her so much. Like, this is finally what she like deserves and what she's always wanted. Very, very excited for them, and I cannot wait for this wedding. This is literally gonna be like the royal wedding. Okay, let's get into it. So this month, you guys, it's really not about makeup. It's about skincare, hair care, and fragrance. Like, there's technically one makeup product in here, but 99.9% of this is fragrance and hair care. Let's start with hair care because I'm so excited to share with you guys these products. So the first product I want to talk to you guys about is a curling iron. That is how I got my hair to look like this. So this is my hair from yesterday. So I literally haven't touched it. All I did was kind of like blow up my bangs a little bit. But these curls that you see, yeah, this is left over from yesterday. I've not used a curling wand in like 5 years. Ever since I got my Dyson Airwrap, I've only ever used this to curl my hair. And as much as I love her, because I do love her, sometimes the curls on like day 2 or 3 of me washing my hair, they wouldn't necessarily last, and that would make me so sad. My hair would like fall. It just like wouldn't look super, super good. So back in like May, I was at a bachelorette trip and I used my friend's curling wand and I was like, we need to get back into it. So I bought this. This is from Conair. This is their Infinity Pro wand. So you guys can kind of see that it goes from like fat to skinny. So I bought this around like May time and I really started to use it in July. And then this month I have been using it every single time I style my hair. This is my favorite curling wand, even though it's technically the only one that I own, but it is amazing, you guys. I get these beautiful curls that literally last days. Like every single time I do my hair with this wand, I get 1,000,001 compliments. I'm obsessed with it. I think it was like $20 on Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. If you guys are interested in purchasing a curling wand, the exact one that I bought, I will have linked down below. But you guys, my hair, oh my god, I started really falling in love with it because of the volume and just how like I don't have to do my hair today. Like literally, I can just leave my hair like this. All I did was blow out my bangs a little bit and we're done. So this, you guys, for $20, yeah, I love it, and I will be continuing to do my hair with this because I am just full on obsessed with it. Let me know if you want a hair tutorial because there are times when I will use my Dyson and then I will go over my Dyson curls with the curling wand and I will have like amazing curls. I don't know if you guys want like a hair tutorial because I will definitely do that. But right now, yeah, this curling wand is amazing. So another product, so this I actually don't have the full size of it because it is really, really, really expensive. This was technically a birthday gift that my friend had gave to me because she didn't want it. So this is from Kerastase. This is their 8-Hour Magic Night Serum. You guys, this gets a lot of hype on TikTok, and I was like, there's no way that this is that good. No, 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 no. This is absolutely amazing. So it says it is plant-based proteins, overnight leave-in. So everything is pretty much in French. So it's really hard for me to like explain it, but I do know that it is for dry hair. So you put like a little in your hand, go like this and just put it in your ends, and you guys, the way that it smooths out my ends, I wear it at night because this is supposed to help with like the friction on your pillowcase, you know, like you like toss and turn and stuff. Like apparently that can like be really bad for your hair and cause breakage and stuff. So I would use this. I won't use it every single night. I'll probably use it about 2 times a week the night before I wash my hair, and I am absolutely in love with it. I'm just obsessed with the way it makes my hair feel, the way it makes my hair look, and it's so lightweight that even if you're not going to wash your hair the next morning or the next day, you can kind of get away with it because by the time you wake up, it's fully absorbed into your hair. It doesn't leave any like oily residue. So for that, I absolutely love this, and yeah, we'll continue to use it and probably purchase the full size. So I'm kind of cheating here because I've only been using this product for about a week. It's another Kerastase product, but you guys, I know what you're thinking, like, oh god, another girl that's like talking about this expensive like hair care line, like how good could it be? You guys, this is their anti-frizz glazed milk. Again, I don't have the full size because the full size of this is $60, so I need to go back and forth to see if I want to commit to that. I want to talk about it in this video because the second I tried this, once I blew out my hair has not looked that shiny in such a long time. Like there was no frizz. Even there was like one day where it was really humid last week and I went out with my hair. it frizz a little bit, nothing compared to what it typically does. Like, oh, it's definitely gonna be like this product. Like this product is definitely making a difference in my hair. You guys, I'm definitely loving it. Like I washed my hair probably about 3 to 4 times since I purchased this, and every single time that I've washed my hair, I've used this as my leave-in, and I am not disappointed. I am fully obsessed with it. Yeah, I think I may have to purchase the full size because I've already used so much of it because I love it. You also get heat protectant with it, so it's a detangler, anti-frizz, heat protectant, everything we love in a leave-in product. If you have super frizzy hair, because I have really, really frizzy hair, then you may want to pick this up. Pick up this one. Just pick up the small one. Just try it out. Just try it out and let me know. Talk about 2 like milky products. So the first one, I'm sure you guys have seen it all over TikTok. This is from Bubble. This is their Cosmic Milk Milky Toner. You guys, I really enjoyed this product. So this, ooh, it just got everywhere. This is the consistency of it. It is nice and hydrating, but it doesn't leave like a weird film on your face. You know how sometimes like some milky toners will leave like a film? No, this actually, in my opinion, delivers a lot of hydration, but it's very lightweight. It's always the first step in my skincare routine, and I absolutely love it. I have used so much of it. I think it's like $15, and you get 3.4 fluid ounces, so it's super affordable, but you guys, it is nice and hydrating and just gives your skin like a nice boost of hydration before you go in with actually all your moisturizers and all your other hydrating products. This is always the first step in my routine, and yeah, it really does a nice job at hydrating my skin. I love it. It doesn't disturb my makeup, doesn't break me out. So yeah, she is in heavy rotation all the time. I'm pretty sure I've spoke about this before on YouTube. I'm not 100% sure. I know I've spoke about it on TikTok before. This is from Prequel. This is their half and half fluid moisturizer. It is literally a liquid moisturizer, not to be confused with a milky toner. So this is a milky toner. This is a fluid liquid moisturizer. You're probably like, what does that mean? So if you have super oily skin, this can be used as your moisturizer. It's nice and lightweight. If you have dry skin and you need an extra boost of hydration, this can be used as that first layer. So what I will do is at night, I will use my milky toner. Then I will go in with this from Prequel. This absorbs pretty quickly into your skin. This doesn't. This leaves a nice layer of thick hydration. I absolutely love it. I think it does an amazing job at hydrating my skin, especially on those nights when like I use retinol or something. I don't want to like totally strip my skin. I will go in with this, and you guys, this is amazing. And as you can see, like I said before, I'm pretty much almost out of it. I love it. I think it's amazing, and I don't break out from it. Next product really shocked me. Like I did not think I would be as in love with it as I am. This is from Dermatology. This is their Universal Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 46. You guys, this has a very light tint, so it's nothing like super crazy. So it's really, in my opinion, just gonna really even out your skin tone. And you can even see it on my hand. It kind of just evened out my skin tone, but it leaves you with a nice subtle glow and also with a little bit of coverage, and I love that. I love when a product is so easy and simple that it neutralizes your skin tone. So this has been my go-to for no makeup days, when I'm going to the beach, when I'm going to the pool. Like this is what I will use. And let me tell you one thing. I wore this to the beach a few weeks ago, and I did not burn on my face. I got a little bit of a tan, but I didn't burn. Usually I'm like prone to burning. No, with this on, I did not burn. This, you guys, I'm absolutely obsessed with. And the next product that I want to talk to you guys about, I like to pair with this. This is from L'Oreal. This is their Lumi Glotion. Now, of course, I have tried this before. I have always liked it, but I love mixing the two. So what I will do is I will use this as my moisturizer and my SPF. Then I will go over top with this. This is shade 903, and it gives you such a nice natural glow. It adds just the right amount of coverage. It's not gonna be like how my face is right now. Like my face is fully covered. There's nothing peeking through. This is gonna be like your skin, but better. So the combination of the two of these, oh my God. I tried to insert a picture to show you guys how my skin looks when I wear the two of these, but you guys, these are absolutely amazing together, on their own or together, but I really love wearing them together. So will I be taking these into the fall with me? 1000%. Because there's a lot of days, you guys, I really truthfully don't want to wear makeup, but I do want to look more put together, and that is when these two come in. So these have been in heavy rotation this month, and they will continue with me into the fall. Fragrance, because I have 4 that I've been obsessing with over the summer, but this month it's really come to my attention that I am obsessed with them. Like I cannot stop using them. So we have 2 body sprays from Fleur. So I have spoke about these before. This is Beach Skin, and then this is Vanilla Nectar. So let's quickly talk about Beach Skin. You guys, this is your typical like beachy scent. Like if you want to smell like you're going to the beach, this is going to be for you. But it's not your typical coconutty scent where it's going to just be all coconut. No, like this gives you coconut, but then it just dries down to a nice fresh beachy fragrance. Bergamot, pink pepper, obviously that's why I love it. I love pink pepper. Solar Accord Coconut Muget, I don't know, Melon, Sandalwood, Vanilla, Musk. So this is very coconutty, but also musky and vanilla-y. It is a perfect combination. I love this so much this summer, and every single time I wear it, I get 1,000,001 compliments on how I smell. This, you guys, is one of my favorites. I don't necessarily know if I'll wear it in the fall, just because this does remind me so much of summer, but if you're somebody that wants to like mix up their scents a little bit, then yeah, check this out. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I really, really, really love it. Talk about vanilla nectar. Clearly, I have a sick obsession with this because I have used a lot of it. I use this pretty much every single day. And you guys, this is so unique. So it's vanilla-y, but it's very, very sweet. So in here you have notes of papaya nectar, apricot, peach blossom. Oh, I love peach blossom. Coconut orchid, jasmine dew, whipped vanilla. That's what this really smells like, the whipped vanilla. Cedar and honeyed amber. You guys, if you want to smell edible, a sweet treat, and you don't want it to be too overpowering, holy crap. Fleur nailed it with this. This, I think, is one of my favorites from them. Like this and Beach Skin have been in heavy rotation for me this summer, but this one in particularly, I just cannot stop using it. Another summer scent. So this is from the 7 Virtues, and it's their scent Coconut Skin. So you guys, this is definitely summer in a bottle. Like I love mixing this with Beach Skin. Holy crap, this is a summer dream. So if you like to smell like summer, these two are gonna be for you. I wanted to talk about this even though summer is ending because I have used so much of it. I literally spray it on myself every single day I get out of the shower, whether it's morning or night, just because I love how fresh and fruity and coconutty it smells. It's not too overpowering though. So if you're somebody that's super sensitive to coconut, I don't think this will be overpowering for you. I really, really love it, and I love layering it. So I especially love layering it with this next perfume. This is from Alt. This is their Duchess perfume. This is a dupe for a $300 bottle of perfume. So I paid, I think, $80 for this. I forget what the full size is called. I'll put it on the screen for you guys, but my friend was wearing it and I smelt it and I was like, oh my God, I need it. And then I saw that it was $300 and I was like, oh, I don't need it. So I was searching online for a dupe and I got this. And this smells absolutely identical to it. So I love layering the two of these together. So I will just layer them together. That's what I've been doing all month long. You can clearly see that I am almost out of the both of them because I use these every single day, like no joke. Like a stronger florally scent, you're really, really gonna like this. And this, I can confirm, lasts such a long time. I get 1,000,000 compliments on it whenever I wear it. My entire bathroom, no joke, will smell like this. If I spray this and this, like this will overpower the coconut one, but you guys, the way that they layer together and complement each other, oh my God. I'm just so obsessed with the two of these together, and I will definitely be bringing this into the fall with me. I just know it's gonna remind me of like renovating my house and so many amazing memories that I've like gone through this summer. So this I really wanna keep as like my summer scent, but this one, you guys, I am just too obsessed with it not to take it into the fall with me. And this one, in my opinion, is not necessarily a summer scent. You can wear this year round. Like this definitely gives me more summery vibes, but this, you can wear this year round. Like this does not have to be just a summer scent. So yeah, I think I'm gonna actually repurchase it pretty soon because I love it that much. Guys, so that completes my August favorites. I feel like I was talking so fast in this video, so I do apologize. I've been sitting in this chair for like 3 hours now and I'm like a little claustrophobic because where I film in this apartment is like a very tiny space, so I'm itching to get out of it. I don't have to worry because within a few weeks I will be in my new beauty space, and oh my God, you guys don't know how excited I am for that. So that is everything I have for you guys in today's video. Let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these products, and let me know if you have ever tried Kerastase because I'm so curious to what everybody thinks about them. Like they get a lot of hype on TikTok, a lot of hype, and I'm starting to understand. Like as much as I don't want to because they're so expensive, I'm definitely starting to understand the hype. You guys, so that completes this video. Don't forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I hope your end of summer is amazing. I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.